All right, it's Saturday. What's going on in the shop today? I'll tell you. So what we're going to do is we're going to organize the shop a bit better. We're actually going to try to figure out some measurements. We have to build a new plate for the pin grabber because that one's not going to fit, and we need a mulcher. Now, the other thing going on is I bought this attachment here. So it goes from a mini skid over to a big skid steer attachment adapter plate. Now, if you remember, I bought this compactor right here because when I get around to doing some dirt work, I'm going to need to do some compaction, right? Now, if you look at this, look at that. It looks like they built this thing, or it's at least upside down right now, but then they slapped on all the stickers this way. But there's no way that adapter plate fits this way because you can kind of see this is the support that would be at the top. You would think. Now, maybe I'm wrong about that, and that, in fact, this is the way it goes, but we'll check it out, because like you see how like those handles right there, they're at the bottom. I can't believe you operate those from the bottom. Most of the people that you see working these are kicking them to get them closed. So that would be at the bottom, right there. Okay, so we got to figure that out. And like I said, we've got these forklift pieces. So here's the plan. What we're going to do is we're going to shuffle some stuff. I've decided I'm going to keep this bucket here because it's probably not the last excavator I'm going to own that's going to be able to use this one. This one's about 500 pounds, so I think it's still okay. So we'll do a little pin adapter for this one. Do a pin, I think just a full pin adapter plate. We'll just kind of fab up a new one. We need 40 mils. Those are 50 mil pins, and the distance between them are way too much. So here's the general idea. Let's get this place organized. We got our forestry stuff all set up. I'm not going to be doing anything with that this weekend. It's just snowy and cold, and I'm going to organize this area in here so that we can bring some of these parts in. Probably the drum. I think we'll put that in there. Maybe move some pieces to the back in the yard. So. All right, so that's the plan for today. I'll let you know how it's going to go. It's going to be busy, and we're going to move a lot of equipment around. So, yeah, it gets interesting. You want to see some more bad? I think this is the first like real bad Chinese quality manufactured item I'm going to run into. Check this out. Look at that. If this thing spins through here, it's going to hit this comb. So this tooth is designed to, you know, pull mud and dirt away, I'm sure. So we got to do some readjustment, maybe even cut that off and re-weld it. Crazy.